Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Android Studio on Windows. We can uninstall Android Studio by three ways. We can uninstall it via the Android Studio uninstaller or via the Windows settings or via control panel. So first let us see how to uninstall Android Studio via Android Studio uninstaller. To do this, go to the location where Android Studio was installed. So in this system, it was installed in program files. So here we need to locate uninstall.exe, which will be present inside Android Studio folder. So double click on this exe. Give yes if you get a security prompt. So here check the box Android user settings and click on next. Now click on uninstall. Click yes. Now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. Click on close. So now we can see that all the files and folders inside Android Studio is removed. Now click on Android. You won't be able to find the Android Studio folder. So this confirms that we have uninstalled Android Studio via the uninstaller successfully. Let us now see how to uninstall Android Studio via Windows settings. To do this, press Windows I. This opens up the Windows settings. Click on Apps, Installed Apps. Here on Search Apps, search for Android. So here Android Studio is listed. Click on the three dots, click on Install, Uninstall. Give yes if you get a security prompt. Check the box Android user settings. Now click on Next. Click on Uninstall. Click yes. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. Uninstallation is complete. Click on Close. And here you can see that Android Studio is removed from the listed apps. So this confirms that we have uninstalled Android Studio successfully via Windows settings. Let us now see how to uninstall Android Studio via control panel. To do this, press Windows R and type apples.cpl and press enter. This opens up the programs and features of control panel. Here click on Android Studio and click uninstall. Give yes if you get a security prompt. Check the box Android user settings. Click next. Click uninstall. Click yes. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. Uninstallation is complete. Now click on close. So now here you can see that Android Studio is removed from the listed applications. So this confirms that Android Studio has been uninstalled successfully via the control panel. I have showed you three ways to uninstall Android Studio on Windows. First was via the Android Studio uninstaller. Second via the Windows settings, and third via the control panel. So you can follow any one of these three methods to uninstall Android Studio on Windows. Next, we need to remove the Android Studio entry from path if it is present. To do this, press Windows R, type sysdm.cpl and press enter. This opens up the system properties. Click on Advanced. Click Environmental Variables. Here under System Variables, click on Path and click Edit. Here we need to check if we are able to find the Android Studio entry. If the entry is present, we need to delete it. So here you can see that Android Studio entry is present. So select this entry and click on Delete. Now click OK. Click OK and click OK again. So now we have removed the Android Studio entry from path. Next, we need to do the cleanup. To do this, press Windows R and type local app data within percentage and press enter. So this opens up the app data local folder. Here we need to delete the Android folder entry. So select the Android folder and press delete key to delete it. Okay, so now the deletion has started. Next, go to the Google folder and here we need to delete the Android Studio entry. To select that folder and press delete key. So the Android Studio folder within Google folder has been deleted. Okay, so now you can see the Android folder is also deleted. Next, go to C program files. Here we need to delete the Android folder. The Android folder is empty. We need to delete this. So select the folder and press delete key. Click continue. So now the Android folder is deleted. So these were the folders we need to delete to do the cleanup. Once we have done the cleanup, we need to verify if Android Studio is successfully uninstalled. To do this, press Windows R, type CMD and press enter. Here type Studio 64 and press enter. So here you can see that Studio 64 is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this confirms that Android Studio is uninstalled successfully. So these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall Android Studio on Windows. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.